Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take out your earning from Vita Mahjong to your bank. First, open the Vita Mahjong app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. When the app opens, look at the top of the screen, find the earning or wallet balance. Tap on the balance to open the wallet section. Inside the wallet, find the withdraw button and tap it. In my region, withdraw or wallet balance is not available right now, but in your region it may be available. After that, you will see different withdrawal options. Choose bank transfer as a withdrawal method. Now choose bank transfer as a withdrawal method. After that, enter the amount you want to take out. Make sure the amount is within the allowed limit shown on the screen. After that, enter your bank details. This usually includes your bank name, account number and account holder name. Take the information carefully and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.